Hey, there you are. I was looking for you. I heard you might need a body double today. Perfect timing because I'm about to fold this load of laundry. It's all real time and nothing sped up, so you can just settle in and move at a normal pace with me. Grab your basket and sit down. We'll work through it together. There's no pressure here. We're doing what we can one piece at a time. Before we start, take a slow breath with me. In and out. Good, you made it here. That matters. And I want you to hear this early on. You are worth more than your productivity. What you get done today does not measure your value. Okay, I'm starting with whatever's on top. You can start anywhere that feels manageable. There's no wrong way to do this. If your brain feels scattered today, that's okay. If it feels tired, that's okay too. You're not behind in life. You're navigating it in your own way. Fold one thing. That's enough to begin. See? You're already in motion. Sometimes simple tasks feel heavier than they look. That doesn't mean you're lazy. It means you're carrying more than people can see. Smooth out a sleeve. Line up an edge. Take your time. You deserve spaces that feel a little calmer. And you deserve kindness while you create that calm. I'm really glad you pressed play. You could have stayed stuck. Instead, you showed up. That says something about you. If your thoughts drift, gently bring them back to what's in your hands: fabric, texture, the rhythm of folding. Let this be simple. You are not your unfinished list. You are not the pile waiting in the corner. You are a person doing the best you can with the energy you have today. That is enough. Look at the pile for a second. See how small it's getting. That's your effort showing. You don't have to move fast to make progress. You don't have to be perfect to be worthy. I hope you know you're wanted here. Your presence matters, even on days when you feel quiet or overwhelmed or unsure. Fold another piece. Keep breathing. If today has felt heavy, I'm proud of you for still participating in your own life, even in small ways like this. Small ways count. If you're standing while you fold, maybe shift your weight for a second. Give your feet a break. I always think laundry looks bigger in the basket than it actually is once you start. If you need to adjust where you're sitting so you're more comfortable, go ahead. I'll wait. Okay, I'm just going to fold this one a little neater than the last one. Some days are like that. You can always refold something if you want to, or not. It's your house. There's something kind of satisfying about stacking these up once they're folded. If your mind is planning 10 other things right now, gently park those thoughts. They'll still be there later. We're not solving life while we fold. We're just folding. Notice how your hands kind of know what to do without you thinking too hard about it. This is one of those tasks that feels heavier before it starts than while it's happening. If you're tempted to quit halfway, give yourself 2 more pieces before you decide. You can even talk back to me if you want. I won't judge. I'm just working through this one stack at a time, nothing fancy. Sometimes I fold perfectly, sometimes it's good enough. Both work. If your shoulders are creeping up, let them drop again. Okay, there's another little stack done. We're moving, steady. We're getting close to the end of the clothes here, so I've got socks left. Let's match these up. If you've got a lonely one, set it aside for now. It doesn't have to all be solved in this moment.
Morning light on the window pane, coffee warming up my hands again. Cold outside, but it's safe in here. Slow little moments, soft and clear. Counters waiting, dishes shine. Taking it one small step at a time. No rush, no race, no need to pretend. Just breathing in a brand new wind. It's a quiet morning reset, letting go of yesterday's mess. One deep breath, one clean start. Pieces living in my heart. Soft music, open skies, calming my tired eyes.
Okay, my son's load is done. Now I've just got a small load of washcloths and a blanket and a few little linens. These are easy, almost like a cool down. Stay with me.
It's a quiet morning reset, and I'm doing.
Even if your day feels messy, you are not messy. Even if your mind works differently, it is not wrong. You are allowed to take up space, and you're allowed to need support. And I'm happy to sit here with you while you get this done.
My best. Sun peeks in through pale blue light, making everything feel alright. Little routines, familiar grace, finding comfort in this place. Every plate, every cup is a promise I'm showing up. Not for perfect, not for praise, just for better, gentler days. It's a quiet morning reset, letting go of yesterday's mess. One deep breath, one clean start. Pieces living in my heart. Soft music, open skies. Hope is rising with the light. It's a quiet morning reset, and I'm doing my best. No big dreams, no loud plans, just steady hands and quiet stands. Little wins, little ways, building brighter, calmer days. It's a quiet morning reset, every worry I forget. One more chance, one more try, watching sunlight fill the sky. Soft music, open skies, grateful for this simple life. It's a quiet morning reset, and I'm doing my best. Coffee cooling, heart feels light. Starting over feels just right. Quiet home, peaceful breath. This is my gentle, fresh start step.
All right, I'm going to carry these out now. I left the basket out in the hallway for my son to grab later. He'll hang up his shirts and finish putting everything away. I'll let him do that part off camera. And look at that, the bed's clear, the pile is gone. You did that. If you folded even one thing with me, I'm really proud of you. That counts. I hope you feel a little lighter, and if not lighter, at least less alone. And thank you for spending this time with me. I'm really glad you're here. Whenever you need a body double, you know where to find me. From my home to yours, take care, and I'll see you next time.